Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Text Alignment tool. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tools. Click Drawings in the left sidebar. Select Construction Drawings to enter. In the Edit Views page, click on any drawing with text annotations. Hold down Shift to multi-select text annotations in the drawing. After multi-selecting, there are two ways to achieve alignment. Method 1. Hover the mouse over the alignment icon in the floating window. An alignment tool panel will pop up. And 6 alignment modes are provided here. Right align, center horizontally, left align, top align, center vertically, bottom align. After clicking the alignment mode you need, the text will automatically align. Method 2. In the Style panel on the right, click on the desired alignment, the text will automatically align. That's all, thanks for watching.